How to fix Face ID settings grayed out on iPhone. The first thing that you have to do is open up your iPhone settings. Here, use the search bar to search for screen time, written like this. Now, click on the first option and you want to scroll down until you see restrictions, content and privacy restrictions. Click on that option. Here, you want to find passcode and Face ID, and if this is turned off and set to don't allow, you want to click on allow. Now, once you have done this, the second thing that I suggest doing is going all the way back until you see the general tab. So just click on general. Then you want to go into software update, and here wait for it to detect any updates which you may have for iOS, and then install those updates. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.